On models with headlight washers, you will need to remove the headlight washers. To do this, use a plastic prying tool and lever out the headlight washer. Then grab and pull straight out of the headlight. Then use a small flathead screwdriver to detach the locking clips and remove it. When the nozzle is pulled out, a small squirt of washing fluid is ejected. Stay out of the way of the spray. Working at the top of the front bumper, remove the 4 T30 torque fasteners as indicated by the green arrows. Working under the vehicle, remove the 7 8mm fasteners, green arrows. Working in the wheel well, remove the 2 8mm fasteners as indicated by the green arrows. The right side is shown, the left is the same. Working in the top of the wheel well, pull back the wheel well liner to expose the 2 8mm fasteners, as indicated by the green arrows. Remove the 2 8mm bumper fasteners, right side shown, left is the same. With the fasteners removed, pull the front corners away from the headlights to detach. Then slide the bumper out enough to access the electrical connectors for the horn, the fog lights, and the ambient temperature sensor, as well as the headlight washer hoses. Disconnect all the applicable items. Next, with help from a friend, slide the bumper off the support and remove. When removing, be careful not to scratch the bumper cover or snag any previously disconnected items. To install the front bumper, start by partially installing the bumper while leaving yourself enough space to access the electrical connections and hoses. Reconnect all the disconnected items, then slide the bumper cover on and align. Install all removed fasteners and check alignment of the bumper to the body. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.